respected Dean of Academics, Dr. P. Venkatrao Garu, onto the dais to speak a few words.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, the chief guest, J.D. Lakshminarayan Garu, Chairman Sir, Director Sir, Principal Sir, Loknatham Sir, Trichul Reddy Sir and Trilok Reddy Sir, and my fresher first year students and my parents. Good afternoon, one and all. First of all, I want to congratulate all the students who have taken the admission to this institution. And I want to convey my congratulations to all the parents who has belief in NRCM family and taken the admission in it to their ward. So here, the one thing I want to tell, here the students who have taken the admissions, they are from different backgrounds or from different areas or from village background. So some students they are depressed. So we are studying in Hyderabad in an autonomous college. So they cannot excel themselves. మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చామని కాదు, మనం ఏం సాధించాలి అది ముఖ్యం. So that is the thing I want to convey. So first of all, I want to tell about how the functioning of the college. First of all, the discipline of the students. The college timings is from 9:30 to 4:15. Morning 9:13 a.m. to 4:15 a.m. All the students should come before the time. In between, we will not allow the students to go outside. So they have to carry their lunch box. In lunch hour, we will not leave the students outside without the permission of the parents. Once the students enters into the college, after the college hours only, he will leave out. Secondly, the dress code, the formal dress, that means pant, shirt, shoes with identity card. So neatly they have to come into the college. So wearing the jean pants, the torn jean pants, Randhralunna jean pants wear cheyaddu, especially the boys I am telling. So t-shirts are not allowed. So this is about the dress code. So in the lunch hour, so they have to sit in the classroom or any canteen area, any area they can take their lunch. So secondly, I want to tell about the curriculum. Already our director sir has told so many things about the curriculum. So there are main two parts in the curriculum. So a student has to promote from first year to second year or second year to third year. So there are two things essentially required. One is the attendance, second is the credits. So attendance will be the 75% or 80%. Ours is the autonomous college, we have kept as 80%. If a student get more than 80%, he can be promoted from first year to second year. This is one condition. Second condition, he has to get credits. 50% credits he has to get. Credits means each subject have some credits. Oka subject to any credits ani allot chestaru. So 50% of the credits they have to get. Then only the student will go to the second year. Otherwise, he will be detained. So he has to sit in the same class. After clearing the subjects, he has to go to the next class. So it is very amazing thing, no? So this is the second thing. Third thing is that to interact with the parents. So we will keep the parent-teacher meeting. So monthly or periodically we will keep the parent-teacher meeting. Here the mentor system will be there. Every teacher or every faculty is allotted 30 students. Oka faculty ki 30 member students allot chestaru. So these mentors, they will take care of the students. So the 30 member students are taken by that faculty members. So whatever the problems are there, they have to explain them, they will solve them. And the student, when he is not absent to the college, we will call to the parents. So please answer to properly. So why the student is not coming? So you have to inform the class coordinator or the HOD or dean. So whenever a student want to take the leave, they have to apply the leave, and it should be forward to the HODs. So here is another thing is that during the odd time, so whenever you are having the library period or during the sports period, you should not sit here and there in the college. So either you should be in the library or you should be in the playground. So don't waste the time. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Now I would like to